500 Rand discount. That is half of $1,000. And for a limited time, I've got something that is going to sweeten the deal. I'm going to give you guys and girls 100 Rand of my personal money every time you use my referral link. So if you are interested, go check out the link and the details in the description. So all it takes is 3 minutes. And I'm going to show you guys right now on the official Yoco website how to go about the process, all of the steps involved, and the information that you need to complete. And not to worry, it is really, really simple. And after that, you guys will know exactly how much discount you're going to get. And if you are happy with that, you can continue with your purchase. Check out, your account will be created and your device should arrive within a couple of days. If not, no worries, just close the browser and continue. Well, actually, don't close your browser. Head back over to my channel and go check out the other reviews that I've done of the Yoco Khumo print and the Yoco Khumo. And here is the print. And there might be something up my sleeve. This is the Yoco Go. I may or may not have already started working on a review for you guys, so keep a lookout for that. It's really, really cute. Almost reminds me of one of those old cell phones. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I don't know. Something to note, please remember that what I'm going to show you was done at the time of recording this video, so it should be fairly accurate. But just keep in mind that if you're watching the video 3 or 5 years down the line, things might have changed slightly. Also, I'm not affiliated to Yoco in any way. They haven't asked me to make this video. Nobody has paid me to make it. I'm making it for you guys because I've got a lot of good feedback from the videos and it seems like there is a lot of interest in these Yoco devices. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to smash that like button. I would really, really appreciate that. Then we can go down to the video description or to the top of the comments section. Click on my referral link and that will take you over to the official Yoco website. The first step here is to fill in your email address, phone number, and create a password. Now, if you do complete this full process and you go through with the transaction, these details will be used to create your Yoco account. Then you need to select if you have accepted card payments before and then click continue. For step 2, just type in your business name and click next. For step 3, you need to fill in your business trading address and click next. Step 4 requires that you select your type of business, so I selected individual and then click next. Then we need to select what is the role in your business, so I am the owner and then I click next. Step 6 requires you to enter the business owner details, i.e. their name and surname, and then click next. For step 7, you need to select what category your business best fits into, and then also make a sub-selection. So as an example, I selected music, arts, and film as a sub-selection, and then click next. Now this is where we get down to business. This is where you get to choose which card machine you would like to purchase and to see how much discount you are actually going to receive. So first up, we have the Yoco Khumo, which is currently 999 Rand. And if you look over to the right hand side, you'll see you get $100 discount. Next up, we'll select the Yoco Go. And again, over on the right hand side, you can see that you get $100 discount. So here's the kicker. If you want the Yoco Khumo print, you can see that you will currently get $500 discount. Yes! I don't even know if I can count that high. And lastly, I see there is a limited edition Khumo available, and on that you'll also get $100 discount. So there we have it. That is the discount that you guys are possibly going to get if you use my referral link in the description or the comments section below. Not to worry though, if you don't want to go any further, you can just close the browser and go have some coffee. Or actually, better yet, grab that coffee and go check out the other videos on my channel about the Yoco card machine reviews. However, if you want to continue with the purchase, you can select the device that you would like and then click checkout. That will take you over to the delivery page where you will fill in your delivery address and your ID number. Then you can click next, and that will take you to the payments page. Now here you can put in your card details, or you can choose to pay via instant EFT, and then you click pay, and your purchase will be processed and your account will be created, and then you will be directed to your Yoco account. So as you can see, it is a very simple sign-up process, and you guys and girls will be receiving payments in no time at all. I also wanted to tell you that I've been using Yoco now for almost a year, and so far in my experience, it has all been good. Everything has worked perfectly all the time. That said, Yoco, keep up the good work. I hope things continue to go smoothly. Well, if you guys have got any experience with Yoco, or if you want to share your experiences with us, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. If you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to use that referral link in the description or the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Burton. This is the Burton Bulls studio, and you guys will see me in the next video. Cheers.